1.5-year-old German Shepherd Garrus. He's here for our 2-week board and train. He's had some training in the past, but I'm just going to show you real quick what he can do. Garrus, come, come. Garrus, come, come. Good boy. Garrus, come. Sit, sit. Good, sit. Good boy. That's a good boy. Down. Oh, Garrus, come, come. Sit. Sit. Down. Down. Oh, good job. Good boy. Oh, sit. Good job, Garrus. Good boy. So you can see he knows a little bit. He's not super stable in his obedience. We're going to teach him a few things. We're going to add in some distractions and get him good and stable. Some of his issues, he has a little bit of reactivity to dogs, but not much. He has really bad car manners. He likes to jump back and forth between the front seat and the back seat, so we're going to really work on that. And really we're just going to get him really good and stable, holding those sits, holding those downs, and good and consistent in all his obedience. Can't wait to show you what he can do in 2 weeks.
place. Good boy.
And you can move to the other object and have him travel to it if you like.
Here's the place.
Tell him. Perfect. And then you can release him.
Free.
Good job.
Down. Good boy.
And you can release him.
Free.
Good job.
Good boy. Heel. Heel. Want to give it a try, Mom?
Sure. So go ahead and have him stop.
Stop. Sit. Come on. He's pretty good. Heel. Sit. Sit. Wait. Down. 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 Wait. Sit. There, sit. Free. Hi, I'm Alex Martin. This is Garrus. We just did a 2-week board and train for off-leash canine, and he is pretty perfect.
And you'd recommend the training?
Definitely would recommend the training to anyone. Anyone who has misbehaving dog.
I'd like to add the walking with him. Typically on the leash, he was leading. Now off leash, walking heel perfectly with us, making all the turns. Very, very impressive.
Awesome.